So hello, today's a new day. He wants to come say hi. No. No. Mommy.
What?
Come here.
No, what's that? What happened to that video? What are you doing?
Okay, fine. Today's a new day. Today's January 14th. And I'm gonna go play Xbox. In Walmart. Talking to myself. Yeah. Sexy puppy. It's a sexy dog. Baby. Baby. Bill, do you like your new bed? Bill, look at me. You like your new bed? Huh? Got this at Walmart. Yeah.
Oh my god.
My hair is just so sexy right now. What? What?
Why is she naked?
Who?
Lady Gaga.
She's not.
Yes, she is.
No, she's not.
She's naked.
She's got pants on.
Where? Do you see pants?
Yeah, you like it. Sir, sir, sir.
Where do you see pants? And what is that?
What are you doing?
Is that her real tattoo? I love you?
It doesn't say I love you. It says Tokyo Love.
Is that her real tattoo?
She likes her
Nice.
bed.
Yes, that's nice. Where'd your mama get? Your mama buy that. She likes it. I knew she would. Aww.
She keeps digging her nose in there, sniffing everything.
Wow.
And she was giving it kisses.
Really?
Yeah.
I knew she'd like that. It's like her own little thing in your room.
She's like,
She shares your room anyway. She's always in here. Yeah.
she's like laying it. Like, what are y'all looking at? This is mine.
Mhm.
What does everyone remember? Belle, is that your bed? She loves it.
Yeah.
Sniffing me? Yes.
She's got to take that out. What is that? John didn't push himself, send it to a butt.
Oh my god. There's like a music video.